Well, hello again. Bienvenidos. We are here at the Casa de la Cultura, Arte Americas, with the man, Frank Delgado.
Well, you know, what's always incredible is when we're putting these shows together, we're getting artwork from the different artists, and this show sort of, you never know where the art's going to go. And I didn't think about it until after I had this grouping and I was reflecting on the people, these 9 people, and I was thinking of each of them individually and how they support other artists. And so having this exhibit to show them off, because they're people who are always showing other people off. Mm-hmm. It's very interesting. And then, and it's almost like they end up being like the hidden gems, because they're always frequently promoting other people.
We're going to splash it on the wall. Then we go ahead and put it, spread it around, okay? Then, for my style, I'm going to do the sun. So I said sol. The sun, it warms us. It gives us warmth. It helps grow our crops. It just gives us something to see. It's just beautiful. In the morning, you see the crack of dawn, you see it. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then all of a sudden, I put the mountains. And then you see right now you see the snow on the mountains. Beautiful, it's there forever. They've been there forever and ever. Okay, we do that right there. And then we do the morning yellow around the sun, and then slowly we build it into a blue, and then slowly we put the darkness of sky and the darkness of night, and then we put the stars there. Yeah, we do that. Wow, all these stars here. And then we have the water that comes down from the snow, and then we have, let's make the rows for the irrigation. Oh, wow, ain't that beautiful? And that will grow the crops for us. And then we peel off, we pick, and we peel off, and we eat the fruit. So thank you so much.